Hello everyone. Today we talked about finding commission and gratuity. So I want to do a few problems just to refresh your memory on how we would solve these problems. So here's our first problem. Mr. Hallaton's friend works at a car dealership. He makes $11 an hour and worked 6 hours last Saturday. On Sunday he worked for 5 hours. He sold 2 cars for a total of $18,000 and makes 4% commission on his sales. How much did Mr. Hallaton's friend make last weekend? So in this situation, not only do we need to find the commission that he was paid for the amount of cars he sold, but also his hourly rate. So the first thing is to figure out how much he got paid for the hours he worked. He worked 6 hours last Saturday and 5 hours on Sunday. So in total, he worked 11 hours. So he makes $11 an hour times the 11 hours he works, means that he made $121 for the hours that he worked. Next, we need to find his commission. So we take the amount that he sold, which was $18,000, and then we are going to multiply that by his percentage of commission. Remember, we need to change all of our percents to decimals. So 4% as a decimal would be 0.04. Then we take out our calculator and we take 18,000 times 0.04 and we get the here $720 in commission. So we got to remember what we're being asked for. We want to know how much money did he make altogether last weekend. So we need to take his paid for his hourly work plus his commission. And when we do that, we get that he made $841 last weekend with his commission plus his hourly work. Remember, with commission, we do it on the total amount of sales that we made. So while I'm erasing this, let's look at our next problem. Our next problem is where we're talking about our gratuity, our tip. In this problem, we're told that Bob is eating at the Applebee's in Holbrook. He has a bill of $22.74. He wants to leave a 15% tip. How much is his total bill, including the tip? So on this problem, again, not only do we need to find our tip, but then we've got to figure out the total bill. So first, let's figure out our tip. We take the amount of his check, $22.74, and we're going to multiply it by our 15%. Just like with commission, we need to change the 15% to a decimal. So 15% as a decimal is 0.15. And then when we take 22.74 times 0.15, we get that for tip, he's going to leave $3.41. Okay, remember, we always round to our nearest penny. So if all the problem asked for was how much does he leave in tip, we're finished. But again, it wants to know what is our total bill, including the tip. So we're going to take the amount of our bill and add our tip amount. And when we do that, we get that Bob will be paying $26.15. So that will be how much he's leaving for his total bill. Our last problem adds a little extra piece in there for us. For this problem, we're told that Mike went out for lunch and ordered a meatball hero for $6.25 and a soda for $1.30. Then 8.65% tax was added to find the total cost. Mike left a 20% tip on the pre-taxed price. Pre-tax means before the tax was added. So how much did Mike pay for the total bill? So first we have to figure out what the total bill was by taking his hero plus his soda. So $5.25 plus $1.30 And when we do this, we get that his total bill was $6.55. Now Mike is going to leave his tip on the pre-taxed amount. So on this $6.55. And with this problem, we need to be careful because we're going to keep going back to different numbers to find our final answer. So I'm going to take $6.55 and multiply it by my 20%. Again, changing that to a decimal, so 0.20. When I do this, I find out that Mike will be leaving $1.31 for his tip. So that's one part of my problem. Now I need to figure out how much I'm going to be adding in sales tax for my bill. So I go back to the amount of my bill, the $6.55, and I need to multiply it by the sales tax. Remember, we have to change this to a decimal also. So we get 0.0865. So we take our 6.55 times 0.0865, and we get that his sales tax is going to be 57 cents. Remember, we add this on to our original cost, plus we've got to add in our tip. So when we want to know how much his total bill is going to be, we take the cost of the food plus our tax plus our tip. Let's add all these together. We get that our total bill will be $8.43. And that is a quick review on gratuity and commission. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you later.